Hello, Blackland Prairie families. This is Mr. Fleming here with an update in regards to our crossing walk flow and pattern. I know there was a change that was introduced this morning, and we were made aware of it yesterday after our crossing guards went to training at the district level. So we have four way stops at 3 locations coming to our campus. The one that we know most often is the one in the front, Fern Springs via Sonoma. We also have Fern Springs Lake Forest Drive. And then our final one is Rusk and Lake Forest Drive. So with that being said, these locations have our, and let me get back over here, have crossing guards there where they will now be stopping traffic but only allowing for one crosswalk path to walk at a time. This is due to the training and the updates and laws and regulations that our district is following. And so please be aware of that pattern. It is a change and it's a little bit slower. So I appreciate everyone being patient as we make this update for the safety of our kids, students, staff members, and parents. One last little tidbit of advice and notes. Remember, Trailing Vine is not a through street for us to come in the morning or the afternoon. This access to the back parking lot should be only used from Fern Springs. So please do not use a crossway here, because we did have an accident last school year involving one of our parents and one of Ridgeview's middle school teachers. And so that was a scary morning. So please make sure you watch that video on our website about how our traffic flow should come into the campus in the mornings and exiting in the afternoons. Thanks so much for following these new updates and rules so we can have everyone safe here on the prairie.